Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate RAID with mdadm on VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate RAID with mdadm on your VPS, start by logging into your server via SSH. Ensure you have root access or the necessary permissions to perform administrative tasks. Update your package manager's repository to get the latest software. For Ubuntu or Debian-based systems, type sudo apt update. For CentOS or RHEL-based systems, use sudo yum update. Next, install mdadm if it's not already installed. On Debian or Ubuntu, run sudo apt install mdadm. On CentOS or RHEL, use sudo yum install mdadm. Once installed, check if your disks are connected and recognized. You can do this by running lsblk. Identify the disks you want to use for the RAID setup. Make sure the selected disks do not contain important data, as they will be formatted. Now, if necessary, partition the disks using a tool like fdisk or parted. Use fdisk/dev/sdx, replacing x with the appropriate letter for your disk. Create a new partition that spans the entire disk, using type Linux RAID. After partitioning, use the command to create your RAID array. For example, to create a RAID 1 array with 2 disks, type sudo mdadm create verbose/dev/md0 level equals 1 RAID devices equals 2/dev/sda1/dev/sdb1. This will create a new RAID device at /dev/md0. Once the array is created, check its status by typing cat/proc/mstat. You should see the RAID array you just created listed. Next, save the array configuration to the mdadm configuration file. Run sudo mdadm detailscan sudo tia/etc/mdadm/mdadm.conf. Update the initrams to include the RAID configuration. On Debian or Ubuntu, run sudo update initrams u. On CentOS or RHEL, use sudo drakit vf. Next, format the RAID array with a suitable file system. For example, use sudo mkfs.ext4/dev/md0. Now, create a mount point for your RAID array. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.